So this is my digital assignment 2, which is about a journal, and the journal which I selected is the symbolic cross-checking of data parallel floating point code. So this is related to the computer organization and architecture syllabus by how floating point multiplication or arithmetic is used in recent areas and various techniques. For many processing and graphic application, it is quite acceptable. This paper describes about a symbolic execution based technique for cross-checking programs accelerated using SIMD or OpenCL as well as races in OpenCL programs. The techniques are implemented in KLE ECL, a tool based on symbolic execution engine KLE. So the architecture for KLE ECL is this, which is used to using the tool draw.io. These are the architectures used in the journal, and these are in the editable form. This is the main architecture of addition and subtraction or control unit. These are the results of all operations used in this journal, their meaning and their shorthand operation and their main operation. These are the OpenCV result table. The architecture in this paper used. This is the transistor level diagram of the architecture used in the journal. The existing architecture is slower, it does not support overflow, it does not have a double precision as fast, does not support wide range of values, rounding is not implemented. These problems are solved by the architecture used in this journal. It is fast, it will support overflow and underflow, high speed double precision, support wide range of values, rounding is implemented, permit accurate assessments of the area and time. So the advantage of the proposed design is that it provides a systematic way of exploring all feasible paths. It is about equivalence of floating point code using expression matching augmented with canonicalization rules. We address the path explosion problem associated with symbolic execution. It handles overflow, underflow and truncation rounding mode. The high-speed double precision floating point multiplier supports the IEEE 754 binary interchange format, and there are many advantages to this. As the merits are mentioned above, the demerit is that the rounding is not implemented to give more precision when using the multiplier in a multiply and accumulate unit. The design handles the overflow. The application is that the design can be used to verify the equivalence between a scalar and an SIMD implementation of a simple routine. The code defines a routine called zlimit, which takes an input floating point array. This model implements race detection capable of detecting on each path explode, read or write races across work items. It is used for many signal processing and graphic applications. It is acceptable to trade off some accuracy for faster and better implementation. It is used in high dynamic range images. The main function constitutes a test harness. This analysis is able to detect races involving both concrete and symbolic memory addresses. This model implements deformable within the environment, which are freely to simulate objects. Bullet provides a C++ and an OpenCL implementation for soft body simulation. This is the transistor level circuit in the design. And these are drawn using the Draw.io software tool. And that's it for this assignment.